Escaping query strings with Wget Mirror. I'm using Wget Mirror HTML extension convert links to mirror a site, but I end up with lots of file names in the format post.php #it=hash.html. When I try to view these in a browser it fails, because the browser ignores the query string when loading the file. Is there any way to replace the question mark character in the file names with something else? The answer of restrict file names equals Windows worked correctly. In conjunction with the flags convert links and adjust extension /e, formerly named HTML extension, which also works but is deprecated, it produces a mirror that behaves as expected.
See the Restrict File Names option. While not exactly intended for this particular purpose, Restrict File Names equals Windows will probably help you along. Restrict File Names equals modest change which characters found in remote URLs must be escaped during generation of local file names. When Windows is given, Wget escapes the characters \, vertical bar, /, less than greater than and the control characters in the ranges 0 to 31 and 128 to 159. In addition to this, Wget in Windows mode uses + instead of, to separate host and port in local file names, and uses @ instead of, to separate the query portion of the file name from the rest. Therefore, a URL that would be saved as www.zemax.org:4300/search.pl $input=blah in Unix mode would be saved as www.zemax.org+4300/search.pl input=blah in Windows mode.
Your browser will view it fine if you use an URL like instead of. Note, if you're having trouble with internal links from downloaded files, it'd be because you terminated Wget before it was done with the downloading. Since you specified convert links and HTML extension only applies when those are given, Wget would normally fix the links to use %3f instead of. However, it does this at the end, after it's finished downloading. If it has been interrupted, it will not have fixed any of the links, and you're left in this predicament. Of course, you can always write a script to go through and fix the links, but
if you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.